Alright guys, welcome back. I'm hoping in this game I've got both rocket launchers, whatever you call them. The gold. And this one was a pain in the bum because it doesn't lock on to the UAVs or anything, so you have to shoot the packs, and no one was using packs, and oh my god, what a nightmare. But anyway, I got it. So if we can get 2 lots of 3 kills in this game.
Hardcore domination. Capture the objective.
The guy walked straight in front of me shooting.
Taking B. We control zone C.
I don't know why I did that.
Taking Alpha. Reclaim the advantage. Now hold it.
Oh, missed.
Losing B.
Got one. Someone's behind me. Yep.
I've got this.
Oh, someone was in that room.
Controlling Bravo. We're losing Charlie.
It's 2.
They're taking C. Taking Bravo underway.
Come on.
Securing zone A.
Oh, how'd that miss?
Taking A.
That's 3. Just need 3 more.
Bravo.
3 more, guys. Just gotta get there.
Bravo lost.
4.
Securing Alpha. We're losing Alpha. Controlling Bravo. We lost Alpha.
Oh, the guy got right in my way.
Bravo is on. We're losing Charlie. They're taking C. Losing B.
I think someone else is to
Taking
him.
Alpha.
Oh,
Losing Bravo.
I think I need one more. Shit. Who's gonna shoot it? If I can get it off.
We lost B.
Oh, that would have been a good shot.
Securing zone
I think that's it.
A. Taking Bravo underway.
Maybe not.
Securing Alpha.
Oh,
Taking B. Taking A. Alpha secure. Securing B. We're losing Charlie. All locations secured. Hold your positions. We lost Charlie.
someone's in this room.
Losing A. We're losing Alpha. Losing B.
Come on. Yeah, baby. That's us.
Losing A.
Diamond launches. Let's do this. You. I do love a diamond.
Alpha.
Bro, you just walked straight in my way. Otherwise, I could have killed him. Whoop. You know what? I'm just gonna. Might as well use it while I've got it.
They're taking all zones.
They can have the zones. Whoop.
Losing A. Feel that? They're about to break. Give them a nudge. Taking C.
Oh, there's a guy on the floor. Didn't see him. He's hiding. Who's this?
Securing Charlie. Charlie secured. Controlling Bravo.
Point blank.
They
And
never
we get a
stood
win.
chance. Proceed to extract Swindon.
All right, team. Oh, mate, has dark spine. Don't worry, I'll have that one soon. Good job, team. Good job. Let's see what she looks like. It's been a journey, I tell ya. Oh my god, 19 and 40. Yeah, you don't get a lot of kills when. Well, you do alright, I guess, but it's not the best weapon to use. Let's see what she looks like, team. She's diamond. You. So I'll probably knock the other one over straight away. I won't bother taping that, but just because I got this one. If I use one, which I don't, I might always have one in the loadout somewhere if someone's just using a bucket load of choppers or we're getting pummeled. Because this one is the one that will lock onto them, so I can take them out pretty easily. I still got a few UAVs with where you have to just guesstimate with the other one, but this one locks on, so this one is a good one. Anyway, that one's done. So guys, basically I've got the bat and the knife. I think I have to do the extra this one because I never did this one, but I've got 11. I might just finish that one off because I think if I do that one, it's included in the 33, and then I wouldn't have to do that special 9mm one, which I might do as well anyway, just to get them all done. But just to get me there, I'm probably this one. It's already got some headshots, so I'll probably just finish off with that. Anyway, team. Well, till the next one, I'll be running around with a bat and a knife, I'm guessing, but see how we go. Catch you next time.